Now, this is a 60 years male patient and a case of enlarged prostate with metastasis in the lower end of left ureter. We will go step by step. This is prostate showing significantly enlarged median lobe, indenting into the bladder cavity. This is the longitudinal section. If we rotate the probe and take the transverse section, then here this is the area of the vesico-ureteric junction, and this area is showing here hypoechoic some mass lesion in the opening of the vesico-ureteric junction. This area there is some growth. Here this is the prostate and growth is over here. This is prostate and growth is here. If we take the longitudinal section of this lower ureter, it is hypoechoic. Here it is hypoechoic. Having a thickened wall. This is the seminal vesicle. We can appreciate in this transverse section very well this ureter coming from here and this hypoechoic mass. The associated left kidney is showing hydronephrosis with changes of pyelonephritis, because the area in the the hydronephrosis area, it is showing echogenic fluid here. This texture of the area of the hydronephrosis is hazy, echogenic, suggestive of pyelonephritis. And there is a attenuation of the renal sinus fat, inflammation suggestive of inflammation of the renal sinus fat. This is hyperechoic sinus fat, suggestive of infective pathology. And we can see here inside this fluid is echogenic. This is left kidney. सीधा थी जाओ. मारी बाजू आओ, आ बाजू. Now we will see the ureter. This is the left ureter, which is seen dilated. This is the iliac vein, this is iliac artery, and the ureter is crossing from above in this section. Dilatation up to 7 mm. This is the ureter. case of suspected case of prostatic malignancy with metastasis